All right, as promised, here's your tutorial on how to figure out your return on ad spend. Now, it's imperative that you know what your return on ad spend is, right? If you're putting money in, spending money boosting, spending money on ads, whatever it may be, you need to know exactly how much money you are getting in return for your business. So in this quick tutorial here, I'm going to show you how it is that I have set up these custom columns. Take a look at what I have. I can tell how many people added to cart after seeing my ad. I can tell how many people purchased after seeing my ad, and I can tell my return on ad spend. This is huge. And I can also tell how much money was earned during a select period of time, again, from people who have seen my ads. So I'm going to show you how it is that I set up these custom columns. Before I do that, please note that the data that we're seeing here is simply from people who have opted into tracking. This will always be an underreporting of the actual stats. You likely, you may see even more purchases coming in on the back end of your website using the coupon code you've used or whatever it might be. You'll likely see more purchase data coming in, but Facebook can only report to us information based on people who have opted into tracking. So here is how we set up those custom columns. When you are within Ads Manager here, you're going to hover on over to this section and then scroll on down and click on Customize Columns. It is literally this easy. This was the kind of tutorial that I only wish I would have seen when I was a new Ads Manager back in the day. But here are all of the stats under the sun that you may ever want to see. And there are a lot here, but if there are certain ones that you're like, yes, I know that I absolutely want to see these, I encourage you to just go ahead and start typing them in. Such as, let's say you want to see purchases. Go ahead and click on Purchase. You might want to have your purchase return on ad spend, aka what was your return? You can go ahead and click on it. Let's say you want things, maybe you are interested in engagement. Maybe how many post engagements you had on those ads. Maybe you're interested in, maybe you're running ads for an event or something like that. You can go ahead and see how many event responses you had. Let's say you want to know how many people initiated checkout. Again, you go ahead, you click this, and then you'll start seeing over here on the right-hand side that this column shows all of those stats that you just selected. These are ones that I personally like to pay attention to. After you have everything you like, go ahead and click on Save as Preset, name it. You click Apply. You always have to do that. Rookie mistake would be to forget to click Apply, and then you'll have to remake it. But anyway, after you make it, so this is I'm calling this Reporting 1. And now every single time you jump into Ads Manager, if you saved that, it will be here for you, which is huge because typically when you're logged in, all that you're seeing is maybe you see purchases, maybe not, depending on how you set up that campaign, but you typically aren't going to see what your return was on your ads, which again, at the end of the day is huge. So I'm going to leave this quick tutorial at that. Again, reminder, you come here, you click on your Customize Columns, and then you set that baby up and you'll be all set and good to go. I have another tutorial that I will be sending your way within a day or so. It's going to be on how to navigate through Facebook Ads Manager here, as well as what you can do to increase your return on your ads. But I want to keep it quick, simple, and easy for you here on this first day. I will talk to you soon.